Hello guys, lockpick mechanic here today with this Yale lock. You can tell it's the abloy version because it looks very similar to the abloy padlocks. Anyways, this is the key for it. I think this is YA88 because I use keyline, so that's what it is. It's YA88. So if we have a look, there is the key. Very nice bitting. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Just obviously get the key in here. It works very nicely. If we do get this open, I will be cutting it as usual. Just get a nice hearing on that. Right, let's get rid of those keys. So I'm going to be using, I've got quite fond of pizza recently. I quite like them. Now I've said that, I'm not going to be able to pick open this lock. But yeah, so this is the 18,000th number 5 hook. Which is totally fine. Don't really need 15,000ths for Euro locks, so 18,000 is fine. I think Lockneve said it, and I think he's right. So, okay, yeah, okay, into a bit of a fault set now. Okay, set at number 1. Okay, dropped into deeper fault set. Okay, I think we're just resting on one more spool now, so I need to quickly find where that is. Okay, not there. Oh, got my pick stuck. I'm not sure if that's wobbling on the core or is that an actual pin that needs to be picked. Not enough tension. There's it, there he is. And we've got it open. So, see, you've got the open. Anyways, let's get it gutted. So there's a Phillips, but I'm going to use a flat. Hopefully this whole thing should drop out in a minute. One tip that I can give you guys is to never gut them with the core facing down, if that makes sense. Yeah, so we've got a kick cylinder here. Let's relock it. So there we are. See what she wrote. So I'm guessing these are all going to be standard. Yeah, standard. There we are. So that's the bitting. It's pretty extreme if you ask me. I'm going to clean up this core, but there's nothing interesting about the core. So there's so there's little mushrooms in these. Lovely. Absolutely lovely.
Lovely jubbly.
Lovely jubbly. Wait, what's your game? You want a cup of tea? Go and make one, you lazy old sod. Go on.
In slot 2. See if I can just get this spring to come up. It doesn't want to. Oh, there we are. Flying spring. Someone thought that was Superman. Yeah. Oh, another mushroom. So I'm guessing it'd be mushroom standard, mushroom standard. So, as you can see here, like I suggested, it is mushroom, standard, mushroom, standard, mushroom, standard. And these mushrooms have all been basically weighted with the pin stacks. And what I mean by that, so if there's a larger pin, like that, well, larger pin, it will have a smaller mushroom in it. So it actually like sets, if that makes sense. And I knew they didn't feel like spools, but I don't know. But yeah, this is why I like older locks. I just don't make them like they used to. But If you like this video, please leave a like and a subscribe, and as always, have a brilliant day. Goodbye.